Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. Hungani and Stephanie Ndlovu have released a statement announcing the end of their marriage. The announcement was made via social media, where the couple expressed their sadness over their decision, but emphasized that the choice to part ways was mutual and made with respect. Over the years, they had built a public image centered around love and support, often sharing pieces of their journey through the YouTube channel and public appearances. While the exact reasons for the separation were not disclosed, the couple made it clear that there was no ill between them. There is no scandal, no drama, just two people who have grown apart and wish each other peace and happiness, they quoted. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.